Very Calcutta move. What has happened is that office IPO has happened today. Jai Hind. Hey, actually Thursday. You have the India jersey.
Yes, sir.
You do? Do you customize it as well? Do you? Finally. सबसे पहले इनसे मिलिए. This is Duil. She came from Bombay and was supposed to carry a packet for me, but in true Duil style, she totally forgot about it. But to compensate, उसने मुझे कहा कि चलो, I will buy you the new India jersey. So we booked an Uber, got into the Uber and went straight to Forum Courtyard Mall. Forum Mall is the first mall ever to come up in Kolkata. Starbucks coffee. Not today. Not today. What the fuck? Adidas has changed to Tonyland. Play zone. What the hell? Very Calcutta move. What has happened is that the Adidas store over here has shut down. I don't know what happened to it. It's shut down and I don't know now where I should be buying it from. This used to be the Adidas store in Forum Mall from where I used to buy all my jerseys. But now it's become Tonyland Play Zone. Hello.
Who's this man?
Enter Jojo, my brother and savior in Kolkata.
Yeah. You're in my vlog, baby.
Where a bike very is, two bike very is. Guys, हम धोखा खाने के बाद अभी दूसरा ट्राई कर रहे हैं. This new Adidas store, actually this oldest Adidas store in India, which is Kolkata, that we're going to. Hopefully we'll find the jersey over here. Here it is. It's got the men in blue. Yeah. Let's just hope we get it. I have a quick question. Do you have the India jersey?
Yes, sir.
You do? Do you customize it as well? Do you print the name and number? You do?
Yeah.
What are you saying, man? This is amazing. This is medium. I like this better. And this is large. I still feel this. Thora relaxed, hai na?
Yeah, it's a relaxed.
And we quickly filled up a form for the customization process to begin. Whole process this is, huh? Final ये हो रहा है. भैया कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने किया है और फिर गड़बड़ हुआ है?
अभी तक नहीं हुआ सर. अगर फ़ोन में कुछ डिस्टर्ब होता है तब कभी कभार हो जाने के चांसेस रहता है.
अच्छा.
लेकिन ऐसा फ़ोन में कभी ऐसा प्रॉब्लम
हुआ नहीं. बट इन दैट केस व्हाट डू यू डू? You do it again. अच्छा. No, but अगर ऐसा होता है फिर
तो फिर
you'll change the jersey. Okay. Moment of truth. सेवन तो सही बैठा है. ओके गाइस, वाई फंस गया थोड़ा. ओह, थैंक यू सो मच. फाइनली कार कॉन्वर्सेशंस. जोजो, when are you buying a new car?
next 5 years.
Next what? This is 5 years.
No,
So you're gonna,
another 5 years.
but this is already 5 years, no?
Yeah.
You're gonna use this for another 5 years. Fine, whatever. I'm disappointed. This is Balluda Dhaba. I don't think you can see it properly, but you can see ball. It's actually Balluda Dhaba. Oh, ये है आम जिंदगी. ये है मेंटोस जिंदगी. This is Jai Hind Dhaba. We are here. यहाँ से लेता हूँ. Jai Hind Dhaba. अरे आज है Thursday, है ना? भैया पार्किंग चाहिए. उस साइड ठीक है. ओके. नहीं बैठ के. अरे ब्रो, व्हाट हैपेंड? जय हिंद ढाबा. Thank you, thank you. Oh, table. मुझे तो जानी है what I want to order. We're having bharta, no? So Jai Hind, when you come to Jai Hind Dhaba, you're supposed to have the bharta and the roti, and also the dal. Dal is also nice, but tonight we're having only chicken bharta and roti. Okay? Let the food come. I'm gonna show you. आपका नाम क्या हो गया? बद्री भाई, हमको चाहिए 2 भरता, चिकन भरता और 3 तंदूरी रोटी. उसमें से बटर वाला चाहिए, बट उसमें से एक मेरे को चाहिए थोड़ा कड़क चाहिए. ठीक है. मसाला थम्स अप. यू वांट मसाला थम्स प्लेन मसाला? एक प्लेन थम्स अप, एक मसाला. सैलड चाहिए किसी को? यू वांट सैलड? Correct. You want?
प्याज आप फ्रेश काट के दोगे?
एक प्याज वाला सैलेड. हाँ, that's it. पापड़. You want? पापड़ दे दो भैया, 3 दे दो.
You have पापड़?
हाँ, 3 पापड़.
मतलब एक प्लेट में?
हाँ, मसाला कोल्ड ड्रिंक एक नॉर्मल थम्स अप है. मसाला भी थम्स अप. इसके हिसाब से बताया.
So much weight now.
हाँ. I'm going to put this in the vlog as well. Okay. Masala thumbs up. Proper branded glass and all that. Nostalgia. कौन सा? ऊपर वाला? Okay. भरता मीडियम कड़क रोटी, पापड़, जो लाइट, थम्स अप, डोएल, सॉरी मसाला थम्स अप, डोएल, थम्स पानी. ये सब खाएंगे अभी हम. लेट्स गो. फर्स्ट बाइट. रिएक्शन टाइम. Some things don't change for the better. एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ आ पहुंचा है हमारे टेबल पे, और वो है You guys are very weird, you know. You guys are talking otherwise. When I'm switching on the camera, you guys are not talking. What kind of people are you? Repeat what you said. Can you teach us that magic?
No.
Whatever you post on Instagram is not real. Why do you say that?
I have heard that, then I'm feeling বন্ধুদের দেখছি, এদের দেখছি. This is not what they are. This is not the version I know of them. Correct. Basically.
Okay, question. You follow me on Instagram. Do you think my Instagram is real or unreal?
No, because I have seen that in real life, so I know there is no difference.
Basically, what he's saying is that I'm one of the most genuine people you will find on the internet. Please follow me.
ये क्या फ्लेवर है?
Bye bye Jai Hind Dhaba. My favorite chicken bharta place in all of Calcutta. Bye. Arey this bus yaar. After a dinner at Jai Hind Dhaba, the best next thing that can happen to you is bundi pan and masala thumbs up over there as well. चलो पान खाते हैं. हम पान वाले भैया के पास ये है भैया. 6 तो गुंडी दो.
6 गुंडी.
और 1 मसाला थम्स अप. गुंडी पान in my vlog. मुंह मीठा करो, आज तुम करोड़पति बने हो. You want one? Nice, no? How many we ordered? 6. बहुत मजा आ रहा मांग को खाकर. Bye Jojo. See you. Take care. See you day after. Thank you for the pan. That's our car. Let's go. Let's go.
And with that, we call it the end of day's play. A very fulfilling day. Of course, जर्सी भी ले लिया मैंने, अपना favorite chicken भरता भी खा लिया मैंने, और काफी मजा भी कर लिया मैंने. I'm going to put up some more vlogs, so if you liked what you saw, do hit the subscribe button, and yes, do follow me on Instagram as well. Bye.